Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a Facebook password. All right, it is pretty easy to do. Just go ahead and open up your Facebook app. Now, once you're in here, tap on the three horizontal lines right here at the top left, or it could be at the bottom right if you're using iOS. Now, once you're in here, just go ahead and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on it. Now, go ahead over to Settings. Tap on Settings, and this page will load. Now, what we're going to do in here is just go ahead and locate Meta. All right, as you can see right here, it is located at the top corner of my screen. Yours might be different. It could be at the very bottom. Just go ahead and scroll all the way down. All right. Now, once you have it located, just go ahead and tap on Passwords and Security. Tap on it. Now, in here, go ahead and locate Account Settings. And again, tap on Passwords and Security. As you can see here, you'll be able to find the option called Change a Password. Just go ahead and tap on it and select the particular profile. All right. Right here, this one, the Facebook account. Now, what you're going to want to do is just type in the current password. All right, I'm going to type it down. Now you're going to want to type in the new password and retype it to confirm. And once that's done, as you can see, there will be an option to log out of other devices if you want to. If not, just go ahead and untick this one. Hit the check mark on your keyboard and hit on Change a Password. All right, wait for it to finish. As you can see, there will be a mail sent to my Gmail. So I'm going to go ahead and look it up on my Gmail and put the code right here. All right, I've seen it. I'm just going to tap and hold to paste the code. Once done, I'm just going to hit on continue. And as you can see here, you just change your Facebook password. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.